Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making a rich, creamy and absolutely delightful homemade Malai ice cream. No cream, no machine, just simple ingredients from your kitchen. No artificial stabilizer or preservatives, just natural home ingredients. Start with 2 slices of bread. Break them and pour into a blender. Bread slices work as a secret thickener, making the ice cream creamy without cream. Malai ice cream is inspired by traditional kulfi but with a smoother texture. Blend into crumbs. Bread must be blended finely for a smooth ice cream base. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons milk powder and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Add half cup milk. Mix well and keep aside. Now boil 1 liter of milk in a pan. Once it starts to boil, add the milk powder and corn flour mixture and stir continuously. Make sure to stir constantly when adding corn flour to avoid lumps. Then add the blended breadcrumbs and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Keep mixing and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens. Turn off the heat and set it aside. Meanwhile, let's make the caramel. In another pan, take half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon water. Cook on medium heat until the sugar caramelizes. Carefully pour the caramel over the milk mixture and stir well to combine. Caramel should be golden, not too dark to avoid bitterness. The caramel gives a deep, rich flavor that sets this recipe apart. Let it cool down completely. Now pour this mixture back into a blender and blend until smooth. Blend the cool mixture for the creamiest texture. Pour it into a container, top with dry fruits. Keep in freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. No fancy gadgets needed, just a blender and your freezer. Your creamy, dreamy Malai ice cream is ready to enjoy. Milk provides calcium, protein, and essential vitamins. Cardamom helps with digestion and adds natural aroma. Dry fruits on top give a nutritious crunch and added energy. So creamy, so flavorful. Once you try this Malai ice cream, you will never go back to store-bought. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share with your ice cream loving friends. Comment below if you tried it and let us know how it turned out. And for more easy and delightful desserts, subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies. See you next time with another comforting recipe. Until then, keep chilling and keep cooking with love.